guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to the third video of me ruining my hair! If you've seen my latest two videos, so many videos about me ruining my hair, but okay. But yeah, if you've seen my latest two videos, you know that I've absolutely ruined my hair. It's gone to complete shit. So today I'm going to do one more thing to try and fix it, because I keep saying that I'm just gonna shave it all off, but honestly that's like a really big step and I'm kind of scared of doing it. So I'm acting all like cool and stuff, like no big deal, but it is kind of a big deal to me. So I'm just going to do one more thing to try and fix it. It's not gonna be the outcome that I actually want, because I wanted to have platinum hair, which of course was like impossible to do. So I don't even know why I thought it was going to be possible, but today I'm going to dye my hair green. Haha! Because green is the opposite color of pink, so I feel like it's gonna be able to cancel this out. But honestly, I feel like this pink is just too bright still, and that it's not going to cancel out the pink, but it's actually going to turn into like a muddy color. So I might actually do a strand test beforehand, which I've actually never done in my life. So that might explain why my hair is always going to complete strand test is just, it seems so much effort. Okay, let's do a strand test first and then see what's gonna come out of that, and then I'm gonna dye my hair. So okay guys, so I did the strand test. It is over here. Oh god, this is the strand test. The ends are looking pretty cool. That's actually the color I'm going for. The top doesn't. I think just because the pink is too bright that it doesn't end up looking good at all. But you know what, I'm just gonna dye my hair anyway, so I don't even know why I did a strand test, because honestly, if I think I'm gonna do something, there is no stopping me anymore. So I'm just gonna dye my hair green right now. So the color that I'm using to dye my hair is Lunatide's Aurora Green, this one right here. And I'm actually also going to mix it with a little bit of the Citron Yellow, because I want to have like the yellow-green color. Honestly, I don't know if I even have to do that, because my hair already has like a lot of yellowish tones to it. So maybe if I just put the green in there, then it will turn out the color that I want to. But I'm just gonna mix them anyways, because I don't feel like testing it out. So okay, I'm gonna mix those two together and I'm going to put it in my hair. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the color that I have right now. Beautiful. I just mixed random parts of both colors, mainly the green one and then a little bit of the yellow as well. First up, I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit, because you're actually supposed to put this on wet hair, because it makes it easier to spread it out. So yeah, people, let's get started. Ooh, ooh. By the way, I think I'm just gonna speed this through, because honestly, you've seen me dye my hair so many times in the last couple of days that this probably isn't interesting at all anymore. So, okay. See you after the montage. I just put all the hair dye in my hair. I also put it on my face, which wasn't really supposed to happen, but I did it anyways. So right now I'm going to keep it in my hair for about an hour, maybe even longer. Then I'm going to wash it all out. So yeah, I'm going to keep it in for an hour, maybe even longer. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Desley just told me that it looked yellow, but I really think it looks green. But he thinks it looks yellow.
Yeah.
So you know, we'll have to see what happens. Maybe I mixed a little bit too much of the yellow hair dye with the green hair dye. Okay, see you in an hour or more. Bye! So yeah guys, this is the end result of my 4-day struggle with my hair. It's not a very good end result, if I'm gonna be honest. It is very patchy. So of course what I did was I mixed the citron yellow with the aurora green and I put it on my hair. But as I told you guys, green cancels out pink and pink also cancels out green. So what ended up happening was something that I actually already thought was gonna happen, but I ended up with only yellow hair and a few green spots, but mainly yellow hair, because you know, all the green disappeared because of the pink. So what I did after that was I just put a new layer of the aurora green all over my hair, just to make it look a little bit more green, because I was going for the green yellow look. But honestly, I don't even know what color this is. This is like, this was kind of the color I was going for, but this is also like yellow. I think it's a cool color, don't get me wrong, but it is very patchy. Like, I can also show you guys here. It's like, and especially here, I've got like very dark spots. It is so incredibly patchy. And again, not the color. And again, it's not really the color that I was actually going for, because I want to have blonde hair. So I'm not happy with the end result, but also I'm not that mad. It is a pretty cool color. So yeah guys, this is the end of my hair journey. Well, not really the end, because I already know that I'm not gonna keep my hair like this, because this is not what I want. I'm not gonna keep this patchy hair for a long time. So you know, the hair journey will continue, don't worry about it. I will probably mess up my hair another time again, so that's cool for you guys, because then you have something fun to watch, I think. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this journey. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.